So believe it or not, it is possible to forget how early you are in this market. Right now, you know, we're kind of in this learning curve. We're digesting macro data, things like that. And I think some people, because price is doing what it's doing, they forget how early we in fact are. And in fact, there is actually a projected $10 billion in BTC coming from US companies in just the next 18 months alone. I'm Luxide, welcome to the channel. I want to talk about this with you guys because, you know, this concept of mass adoption is something that people really struggle with, okay? They have a very difficult time conceptualizing what this adoption curve is going to look like. And we're still kind of in that low, flatter portion before things begin to take off. And it's going to be taking off in two different ways. It's going to be taking off with retail, the exciting things that we know, people getting into crypto, right? Your mom, your pop, your dog, whatever. And then there's business adoption. And corporations have actually been on the accumulation for BTC. We've seen large entities like MicroStrategy, we've seen Tesla hold BTC, and these are just some of the early adopters to the space. But what is crazy is that actually a projection by River Financial is that 10% of US companies will acquire $10.35 billion worth of BTC over the next 18 months. Now, this may seem like a small amount, it may seem like it's not gonna do much, but what people need to understand is what tends to follow here. So first of all, $10 billion, that's probably gonna be, you know, what, between 50 to $100 billion worth of market cap, all right? So it's gonna gain an okay amount. It's not a huge amount, but you have to think about what this does. Not only does this raise the price of BTC, creating more FOMO, more you know, pushing the market, more optics, things like that. But what it also does is it actually increases investor confidence. It creates retail confidence. You know, I watched this video today. It was actually tweeted out by Wendy O. I think Wendy O, Crypto Wendy, whatever. And what is interesting about this is there was a girl that was going around and she was asking people, you know, oh, what's the price of Bitcoin right now? Here's $10 if you can figure out the price of Bitcoin. And people were so clueless. And what it shows you is retail is extremely deaf to what is going on in the crypto market right now. They're not paying attention to adoption. They're not paying attention to, you know, institutional money. They're not paying attention to what enterprises are doing behind the scene. They're not witnessing the actual build out and evolution of the crypto market. And this is why we are in fact so early. This is why it seems like, you know, oh, well, why can't things just take off? It's because we are so early. We're here before that big wave of adoption. I can't show it in this video, but Google a mass adoption curve at what it looks like. Look at what it looks like at 5%, at 6% of the world. We're before the exciting times. We're before things truly begin to take off, right? This market cycle, we are projected to begin mass adoption. We're projected to start, you know, encroaching at 10%, 12%, 15% of the world. And it only accelerates from here. This is why we talk about blow off tops. This is why we talk about super cycles, because there will eventually become a point where so many businesses are getting in, so many retail consumers are getting into the crypto market that we may not have consistent market structures with what we've dealt with in the past, which is going to make things more difficult, right? Obviously, it's very easy to track and kind of have an idea of where things are headed now and timeframes and things like that. You know, obviously expecting the market to take off sometime, you know, either end of September or middle of October. But it's going to get very wild. This is why I'm so excited to be here right now. And this is why I'm excited that although we're experiencing dips, this is why I'm glad that we have these opportunities to accumulate before the rest of the world is even paying attention. When these billions to trillions of dollars start flowing in, the crypto market is going to get wild. Alts are going to take off. BTC is going to take off. BTC is the central focus right now, but it's going to expand. As blockchain tech gets adopted worldwide, you're going to see probably a lot of new leaders in the industry, up and coming chains, up and coming you know, protocols, things like that really take huge steps forward, because the crypto market is going to evolve. And what's crazy about this is there's so much opportunity and so much generational wealth that will be created because of this. So as always, this is not a financial advice, but this is essentially a reminder of what is coming in the not so distant future. This $10 billion in just 18 months can very quickly turn into trillions of dollars. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.